Hey guys, Pat XP Realty, part of the Johnson Group here at Meadow Lakes, a Dream Finders community in Bloomingdale, Georgia. Brand new community. They're only up to their second phase. The first phase is almost built out, but we're going to be checking out the Cameron with bonus. This is a 3 or 4 bedroom home with 3 bathrooms at 2,118 square feet. Let's check it out. All right, so here's the front of the home. As you can see, this is the model home, but this would be your 2-car garage right here. It's pimped out as an office right now, which, I mean, if you don't need a 2-car garage, you could pimp it out too if you wanted to. But let's go check out this home. I love the brick accents they got on this. Vinyl siding they got, as you can see. All right, and as we walk in, you'll notice wide open space. Wide open space. I love the size of the living room, and then everything, you know, can interact with each other. So if you're having like a party or something, no one's left out. Even the cook can be involved, which is fantastic. I like the furniture they used in here. I love the stagers when you get into new construction homes. They do a great job staging these homes. But look, you can fit 4 people at this bar, quartz countertop, LVP floor, coming out to a slider that goes to a covered porch, which we'll check that out here shortly. Great dining room area. I love the light fixtures they used there, and the pendant lightings going on right there. Stainless steel appliances. Now, it does not come with a refrigerator. It just depends on the time of year you come. Maybe one month it will have a refrigerator, maybe it won't. You have to come in and check it out. Or give me a call at 912-657-3544. Back here is your entrance to the 2-car garage, which we saw from the front, and your laundry room. Cool pantry right there. But let's go check out where all the magic happens. All right, going into the primary bedroom. All right. Carpeted in all the bedrooms, like it's LVP on all the wet spaces and the living room area. But in the bedrooms, they got carpet. But look how big this is, king size bed. Okay, you get plenty of space for furniture. You put a rocking chair or something right here. I mean, if you have like a baby, I remember when I was had my children, we had a little rocking chair in the bedroom. It was fantastic. But I'm gonna let Brandon take care of that bathroom, but the bathroom's got the same quartz countertop, LVP floor, and a standing shower. Check that out. I like the music they put on for us, is really nice. The good thing about this is 3/4. The potential 4th is upstairs, which is a bonus room in this home. That's why it's the Cameron with bonus. And then you got 2 bedrooms over here, very nice size, good for, you know, like saying, if you got little ones or, you know, you got guests, it'd be a great spot. We got a full bathroom right there. Why don't you check that out, and then we're gonna go upstairs. Man, you know what? I love this spot, right? You think about game night with your friends or family, just hanging out, you know, maybe you and the significant other just in here playing cards or something. This is a great spot for almost anything you do. This would probably be set up for, if I was gonna do it for my children, so they have a space for their own, you know what I'm saying? But man, you could almost do anything in here. Pool table and ping pong table. You probably do both. Foosball. You can do anything you could possibly want. Love this spot. And it's got a bathroom, which we're gonna be checking out. And then check out the bathroom. I'll meet you outside the back. Welcome to the outside, the backyard. This one got the pond right there, which is pretty cool. I like the covered porch they got there. Check out this snow real quick. Very rare for our area to have snow, so now it's captured eternally on my YouTube channel. I do like this covered in area. This would be very easy if you wanted to screen it in and put a door right here. Super easy, you can fence this in. They require wood fences out here, but if you're not familiar with this area, super close to Hyundai EV plant. They're building up a lot of homes out here, so everybody's coming out here. If you have any questions about this Dreamfinder's home or any Dreamfinder's home, you give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.